remembers watching the Dukes of Hazzard. Who didn't want to have the General Lee? Well, it's been a long time since that show's been on the air, and the General needed a remake. So here we are with the General Lee that we just stuck a Hemi in. That's right, a Hemi. Here we go. It says it right there. You got one of those Hemis. So what we got here is we got a 426 Hemi with an 871 Monahan blower with a 5-speed Tremec with a Dana rear end. Custom rider wheels obviously on the back. You can see the wheels are a little wider than they should be. If you see that, do you see that there? How they are. See compared to our front ones. She's definitely well, she's definitely one of a kind, ain't she? What else can we tell you about this old girl? It's got the old, it's got the old stock cream interior here. Nothing changed much in there. Yeah, let's open the door up so you can get a view of it. Gotta love that pistol grip handle there, eh? Isn't that beautiful? Obviously, it's got some upgraded Dakota Digital gauges. Upgraded, it's got upgraded brakes on it too. It's got Wilwood all the way around. MSD, which is hidden up underneath the dash there, which you will not see, but it's got MSD programmable ignition. Got a nice custom aluminum radiator in there with some nice fans on it. I think old Roscoe may have a hard time keeping up with this one. We all wanted one of these cars, or at least those of us that watch the show wanted one of these cars. I have to admit, I am more of a 68 fan. I hate to say it. I love the round taillights. I like the 68s for that reason. But I'll take this all day long. And she is driven on the street. She's streetable all day long. Yeah. What else can we tell you? That's about all we can tell you. It doesn't get any better than that, does it? Find the key here and fire this bad boy up for you. Here, run. Obviously, like I say again, it's detuned for the street. I believe that's probably 800 or 900 horse, but it's not set for that right now. Let me set this camera down and see if we can't open the doors up and give a little flash up for you guys. I'm sure you'd all love to hear that. Alright, there it is. It runs. There you have it, folks. The General Lee with a Hemi. I remember once a guy said to me, "You got one of those Hemis in there," and I was like, "Hemi? What the fuck is that?" Then I realized he was trying to say Hemi. Anyway, it's always a good time, all the time.